A hall is 15 meters long and 12 meters broad. If the sum of the areas of the floor and the ceiling is equal to the sum of areas of the four walls, what is the volume of the hall? Well, to calculate volume, you need length, breadth, and height. You have been given length and you have been given breadth. The height you'll have to find out. So this is our hall. We have the breadth, the length, and the height. Now we have been given that the sum of the areas of the floor and the ceiling is equal to the sum of areas of the other four walls. Well, what is the area of the floor? Well, that's L times B, isn't it? This is B, this is L, so the area will be L times B. And the ceiling, and the floor is similar to that. The area is the same. So we have LB plus LB is equals to, that's given, it is equal to the sum of the areas of four walls. So we have this wall and the wall opposite to it. What is the area of this wall? Well, that is B times H. And we have the opposite wall with the same area. So we have BH plus BH. Plus we have this wall and the wall opposite to it. What is the area of this wall? Well, we have L times H. So we have HL plus the wall opposite to it has the same area. So again plus H times L. So we have this equation. We can calculate H from this. So we have 2 times LB is equals to twice BH plus twice HL. So these 2's cancel out. We have L times B. What is L times B? Well, length is 15, breadth is 12. So we have 15 times 12 is equals to, let's take H common, we have B plus L. So 15 times 12 is equals to H times B plus L. That's 12 plus 15, isn't it? So H is equals to 15 times 12 divided by 12 plus 15, and that is 27. So 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so we have 20 by 3 as the height. Now we want volume. Volume is equals to LBH, right? So 15 times 12 times 20 by 3, right? So 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 20 times 5, that's 100, times 12, and that's 1200 meters cube. So option C is the correct answer. A swimming pool 9 meters wide and 12 meters long is 1 meter deep on the shallow side and 4 meters deep on the deeper side. What is its volume? So the width of this swimming pool is 9 meters and the length is 12 meters. At one end we have the height as 1 meter, at the other end we have the height as 4 meters. Well, to calculate the volume, what we can do is take the average height. So average height is equals to 1 plus 4, these two heights divided by 2. So this is 5 by 2, that's the average height. So the volume is equals to LBH, that's 9 times 12 times the average height is 5 by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 5s are 30. So 9 times 30. 9 times 30 is 270. So the volume is 270 meters cube. Option B. The areas of the three adjacent faces of a rectangular box which meet in a point are known. What is the product of these areas equal to? So we have these three faces colored with different colors meeting at this point. Let their areas be A1, A2 and A3. Now this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height of this rectangular box. What we have been given that the areas are known, and we have been asked what is the product of these areas. So we have been asked A1 times A2 times A3, right? Now what is the value of A1? Well, it is B times H, isn't it? So I can write this as B times H. Well, let us write it BH times, we have A2. What is A2? Well, it is L times H. So this is HL times, we have A3. Well, A3 is basically L times B. So we have LB. Okay. So this is equals to, we have 1, 2 B's, right? So this is B square times, this is H square times L square. So I can say that this is LBH, the whole square. And what is this? Well, this is the volume, isn't it? So this product of these areas is equals to the square of the volume of the box. So option C is the correct answer. If the areas of the three adjacent faces of a cuboidal box are 120 square centimeter, 72 square centimeter and 60 square centimeter respectively, then find the volume of the box. Well, in the previous question we saw that the product of the areas of adjacent sides is equals to the square of the volume, right? So I can say A1 times A2 times A3 is equals to volume square. Well, let us use this formula here. So we have the first area as 120 times the second area as 72 times the third area as 60 is equals to V square, isn't it? So this 120 can be written as 60 times 2 times 72 times 60 is equals to V square. Now 2 times 72 is 144 times, we have 60 times 60, and 60 times 60 is 3600 is equals to V square. Taking under root on both the sides of equal to, we get this. So under root of 144 is 12 times under root of 3600 is 60 is equals to V. So V is equals to 12 times 60, and that is 720, and that's the volume, 720 centimeter cube. So option A is the correct answer.